Hello friends, today we are going to start the concept of class 12th, chapter 5th, exercise 5.8, Rolle's theorem. Yes, what is Rolle's theorem? How will you check is Rolle's theorem applicable there? There are three conditions to check about Rolle's theorem. First one is function या any algebraic expression will be given to you. Suppose f from a to b. F is your function. It is your interval a comma b. Which type of interval is given to you? Closed interval, where you have to consider the extreme values. R be a continues on an interval a comma b. Firstly, you have given a function. You will check is it continuous on the given interval. Second, you will check is it derivable on a comma b in open interval. Continuity you will check in closed interval. Differentiability you will check in open interval such that f of a is equal to f of b. And third condition you will check कि firstly you will put your lower limit and second one you will put upper limit. If you, after putting in your function you are getting same, then you will proceed. If any from them is failed, then you can't find the next. So there are three conditions to check Rolle's theorem. First one, continuity on closed interval. Second, differentiable on open interval. Then f of a is equal to f of b. If these three conditions are followed, after that you will see there exists some c in interval a comma b where open interval is given such that f dash c is equal to 0. तो आपको क्या करना है, जो आपका डेरिवेटिव आएगा उसमें x के प्लेस पे c पुट करके 0 के इक्वल रख देंगे और आप c की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. c you will get which must be in that interval lies. Now let us discuss the examples based on theorem. First one is verify Rolle's theorem for the function is given, limits are given a comma b minus 2 to 2. Y is x square plus 2 is being continuous in closed interval minus 2 to 2. Yes, why? Because this is not breaking. अगर आप इन दोनों वैल्यूज़ के यहाँ पुट करेंगे वन बाई वन तो आपका जो फंक्शन बनेगा वो डज़ नॉट एग्जिस्ट नहीं बनेगा. तो श्योरली आपको दोनों वैल्यूज़, अगर मैं यहाँ -2 पुट करूँ, इसकी लेफ़्ट लिमिट फाइंड करूँ और राइट लिमिट पुट करूँ तो दोनों का आंसर क्या बनेगा, सेम बनेगा. सो दैट्स वाई योर फंक्शन इज़ कॉन्टीन्यूस. नाउ यू विल चेक फंक्शन इज़ डिफरेंशिएबल. देन यू विल से येस. आई टेल यू वन थिंग, एनी पोलिनोमियल function is there, it must be continuous and differentiable and the given interval. And y dash is what? Y dash means you will take its derivative. 2x, 2 is constant, so 2x only leave. And in which interval? Open interval. Here I have written closed. Now you will check third one. F of a means f of minus 2. You will put here. What are you getting? 6. F of b you will put. Then you are getting what again? 6. Both are equal. So then there exists, this is a symbol of there exists c for in interval such that f dash c is equal to 0. What is f dash c? Means this is your y. Y is working as a f. Dash means y dash. This is 2c we will write because c is there. Then you will get 0.2 means 0. 0 is lying between here. Yes, so hence verified. Next one is examine Rolle's theorem applicable or not. आपको ये फंक्शन गिवन है, आपको इस पे चेक करना है. गिवन फंक्शन इज कॉन्टीन्यूस ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज इट इज पोलिनोमियल फंक्शन. देन f dash x means 2x derivation done. It is differentiable and defined in closed interval. No 1 comma 2 in open interval. This is continuity for closed interval, differentiability in open interval always. Then you will proceed third step. F of a is your 1, b is your 2. You will put here then you are getting f of 1 0, but f of 2 you are getting 3. Both are not equal. So third condition is failed, no need to proceed. So Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Next one is examine on greatest integer, is Rolle's theorem applicable or not? Yes, this function is given and period is 5 to 9. This function is not continuous. Remember this thing. So continuity is failed. So we can say Rolle's theorem we can't apply because first one condition is failed. Next one is examine on f of x is given and interval is also given. Firstly, what will you do? You will see function is continuous. Yeah, of course it is continuous. It is differentiable. Yes, it is differentiable. What is its derivative? 2x plus 2. Now you will see f of a, f of b. Both are getting 0. So after that you will write what? There exists c such that c belongs to ab. F dash c equal to kept 0. So I put, so what are you getting x as a -1. It is lying in your given interval? Of course. So verified. I hope you got. This is Rolle's theorem where you have to check 3 conditions. First one, continuity on closed interval. Second, differentiability on open interval. Third one, f of a is equal to f of b. If all conditions are fulfilled, then you will say there exists c such that this, then you will find the value of c. You can write c here also. Clear? Because you have to find the value of c. What is c? C is your -1. No problem, but c is given to you in place of x. So I find c.